Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Alvara token. Ticker symbol is ALVA, A-L-V-A. Now this is an ERC20 token on the Ethereum blockchain. And it was just announced today that the ALVA token is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting tomorrow, March 7th. And we're going to go over a couple different ways to get this token and the information on this token in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, the Alvara protocol token is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting tomorrow, March 7th at 12 o'clock UTC time. This token will be available on Poloniex. So if you're looking to get this token, the first way you can get it is downloading Poloniex from the Google Play Store, the Apple App Store, or getting it on your PC. Open an account, fund your account with USDT. Go into the trade section and search ALVA on March 7th, and then simply just buy the token. Now, if Poloniex is not available in your area, which it's not available in every country, or you want to get this token prior, if you want to get it before it gets listed on Poloniex, you can get this token off of Uniswap. So it got listed on Uniswap March 4th, so that was 2 days ago. So it is available on there now. You can get it by funding your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Ethereum, going into the dApps, finding Uniswap, and then trading your Ethereum for the Alvara protocol token using the contract address that you can find on their official webpage, alvaraprotocol.io. You may have to set slippage if there's taxes in the tokenomics. I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen over there, at Alvara Protocol on Twitter. They have the gold verified check mark, over 300 tweets, 76,200 Twitter followers. It says they are from London, UK, and has a link to their webpage right there as well, alvaraprotocol.io. Over there you can find a full white paper, a light paper, roadmap, tokenomics, all sorts of info regarding this project here. Now, the token is split up between seed round, private round, strategic round, KOL round, all different stages of their pre-sale, and then split up between foundation, decentralized and centralized exchange liquidity, BTS incentives, grants and builder rewards, team and contribution, affiliates, marketing, foundation, etc. Now, what is this project all about here? So it says the ERC 7621 Basket Token Standard enables anyone to create on-chain collateralized investment funds with third-party contributions via distribution of LP tokens. The BTS Factory is built on this token standard and allows anyone to become a fund manager. So the ERC 7621 contract distributes a BTS token and gives BTS LP tokens to the manager. The BTS token gives the manager management rights and fees, and then the BTS LP tokens represent their stake in the fund. Every ERC 7621 created via Alvara has to contain at least 5% ALVA. So an example of a fund would be 35% VEMP, 30% SAND, 30% MANA, and 5% ALVA. After creating the BTS, it becomes visible on the fully public competitive leaderboard where the other investors can track all performance metrics. Investors can evaluate basket tokens based on assets and performance and contribute directly. Investors who contribute receive BTS LP tokens, which double as governance tokens and grant them voting power. So the BTS marketplace is similar to an NFT marketplace where managers can sell their rights to the BTS. When a manager has a well-performing business and lucrative management fees, they can sell their BTS to a new fund manager. Every BTS has 3 options: the next bid, buy now, and custom bid. So, governance and incentives. Alvara has allocated 44% of the ALVA total supply to BTS incentives. Every week, a gauge weight voting mechanism takes place where VE ALVA holders can vote on which basket should get the most ALVA rewards. At the end of the voting, the ALVA rewards get distributed across the stakers of the BTS LP tokens of the BTS funds that had rewards allocated to them. During the gauge weight voting, BTS managers will be able to put up bribes to get VE ALVA holders to vote on their BTS. The VE ALVA works to essentially govern the ALVA DAO. Once implemented, the Alvara DAO will make all decisions revolving around the Alvara protocol. So trading and yield through HiveX. So HiveX allows BTS LP token holders to deposit liquidity and gain fees from other investors trading the BTS LP tokens. HiveX is essentially an order book decentralized exchange specifically designed for actively trading BTS LP tokens. The BTS LP tokens need to be paired with another asset like ETH, BNB, AVAX, or others. Trading on HiveX enables low fees, arbitrage opportunities, and yield generation. So the ALVA token, the utility, it can be used for bribes during gauge weight voting, minimum of 5% ALVA in every fund, staking for rewards based on protocol fees, buyback and burn mechanisms, staking for VE ALVA governance, and tokenized funds for a DeFi future. You can check them out at alvaprotocol.io, their webpage. And you can find this a full white paper as well if you want to read more about that. You can also learn more about HiveX on their webpage. They have the token address on their page and a DEX tools. They are on DEX tools if you want to see the chart. Medium articles, Twitter, Telegram, contact email, Discord, Instagram, all that's available. alvaprotocol.io. Go check it out. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.